One of the special characteristics of the Portuguese synagogue is the placements of the benches. Usually in Ashkenazic synagogue especially, the congregants would actually be facing the Aron HaKodesh, the Heichal. Here the benches are placed perpendicularly towards the Heichal, and people actually facing each other. So you have the group of the entire community, the people facing each other. We have the women's galleries upstairs, but in today's practice, these women galleries are hardly ever in use because the synagogue is way too big for the size of the present community, and the male congregants would actually sit on this side of the synagogue, and the female congregants would sit on the other side, on the other part of the axe of the synagogue. So this is something very special. This was actually copied. This very custom was copied in many other Sephardic synagogues. So there is a Sephardic synagogue which is now actually in use by the liberal community in The Hague. This had exactly the same placement. The famous Bevis Marks Synagogue in London has exactly the same placement of the benches, all inspired by this synagogue.